Now, this one goes to all my Acholi people. If you are in northern Uganda, this video is for you. If you are in northern Uganda, share this video. Share this video with your friends, colleagues, and all your contacts, because I want us to learn something today. To my Acholi people, to my people of northern Uganda, today we are going to talk about protest vote. Protest vote. This is what we need right now. We all know that Mr. Museveni has been rigging our elections, has been rigging because, yes, apparently he has all the guns. He has all the guns, he has all the mercenaries. But if you ask me, how does he rig the elections always? First of all, they wake up early. Of course, they print the ballot boxes, but they will never bring those ballot boxes when it is filled with ballot papers. What will they do? They will wake up very early. They come and then they pre-tick these ballot papers. And then after pre-ticking the ballot papers, they will come and fill it in. So that is one way. They will fill it in, all the pre-ticked ballot papers. Now, this is what they will do. Another one, if that one becomes hard for them to stuff the ballot, the ballots into the bucket, they will do this. The pre-ticked ballot boxes, they will carry it, and then as they are transporting this thing to the tally center, that's when they will manipulate all these. They will manipulate those boxes and they add their pre-ticked ballot papers. So that is just one of two of the few ways they rig the elections. So now, what are you supposed to do as a Ugandan, as an Acholi person? You have been in the camps because of Mr. Museveni's NRM government. They pretended, they fooled us that it is actually our brother Joseph Kony, our grandfather Joseph Kony, and our father Joseph Kony who is killing us. And yet, actually, it is this NRA doing all these things because of their plans. They had to put and confine the Acholis who were in government, northern Uganda, who were in the government, the northerners. They had this leadership trend that Mr. Museveni wanted to break. So the only way he could break these things is to go and confine us, northerners and Acholis and all these other ones, confine us in these IDP camps as we are busy trying to see how to survive. For him, he is now at State House and doing his things, ruling the country. Well, for us, we are busy biting ourselves and trying to look for safe haven for ourselves. That annoyance is what will call for this protest vote of 2026. So now, here is what we are going to do. As the Acholi people, I want the world to know that Acholi people have always remained opposition because we have nothing, no reason whatsoever to support Mr. Museveni's government or NRM government. They have done a lot of atrocities on our Acholi people and northern Uganda, and I've seen he has started doing all this to these other regions who have shown him that they are no longer going to support him. Every region who fails to support Museveni, he tries to create a massacre there. He created a massacre on us, the Acholi people, and northern Uganda, simply because we had the first president coming from our region here. Now, here is what we are going to do. You are going to wake up very early on the day of election. Wake up very early. In fact, move with your water, brush your teeth from the polling station, if that's what you need. When you reach there, make sure the ballot box is empty. There is nothing fishy around there. Go gently, go and vote. After voting, please, do not go back home. Do not vote and you leave the polling station. You vote and you keep. Vote and you keep around. Keep at the polling station. Why do you have to keep at the polling station? Because you are protecting your vote. You are protecting your vote. You are making sure that the voice you spoke from we were using that ballot is heard. And the only way you are going to do this is by standing there and protecting your vote. So all my Acholi people, wake up very early on that day, go and vote. Stay at the polling station. Do not be intimidated. Do not be threatened. Do not be... It worked in Kawempe North. We also, they came and packed all their members. They packed all their everything. But they tried to even rig the elections. But even if they added 5,000 votes, they added 3,000, 4,000 extra votes, but still, it was not enough. They added 4,000 votes for their candidates, but still it was not enough to match up with the one for the Comrade Lukola. So this should prove to you that this protest vote works so well and is the only way we are going to revenge and remove Mr. Museveni from ruling Uganda, because he is not ruling, he is not leading Uganda. I want everyone to know Mr. Museveni is ruling Uganda, and we don't want a ruler, we want a leader. We want someone to come and lead us. And as the Acholi people, we are going for protest vote. You vote, wake up very early, go there, vote, just walk out, you come and sit, you survey what is happening. See everything that is happening until the vote is counted. And for all our agents who are going to be there, we are going to take very good care of you. Make sure you send us, the DR forms. Take a pic, you send it to us. Because there is very high possibility that the DR forms you are having will be confiscated by their state agents. So just take a pic of that one, you send it to us, to the tally center. Send it to us, and then we shall take it up from there. But all the Acholi people, let us embrace protest vote. Baganda, Central Region, and even Eastern Region, they have embraced protest vote. Let us not be fooled that the Banyankolis are enjoying these things. Mr. Museveni is from Rwanda. Banyankolis are also crying like us, the Acholi people. Banyankolis are also crying like us, the Acholi people. Let us not be fooled. It is only the Rwandese who are enjoying this country. And this is our time. 2026 is here. This is our time, by the way, to send Mr. Museveni packing back to Rwanda. Through protest vote, we do not have guns. For us, we do not have guns, but we have the votes. And we shall cast it in protest vote. And protest vote is vote for Umbrella. Protest vote is vote for KYAGULANYI, aka Bobby Wine. Protest vote is for Mungu Gweto, for MP Badegala Ibi. Protest vote is for you, the voter, because you want your voice heard, you want services, you want to be treated like a Ugandan and not like another squatter. It's not as if like you are renting Uganda or you are here on a visit. This is your home and you have to fight for it. And you can only fight using that your one vote in a protest vote. Protest vote 2026. Look at the way don't know. In a truly medical when you look at it, in Lamete, when you look at Northern Uganda tap, the 2026 protest vote. Look at the way